Hey y'all, I'm Alex and I'm teaching 3D printing. So in this class we're going to go over kind of the history of 3D printing and how it works, the different types of printers versus, resin versus filament printers. And in terms of filament, what different types of filaments there are, things like PETG, more typical PLA or ABS, and kind of why you would use one material versus another. We're going to talk about how to take a 3D model and set it up for printing and kind of the best approaches to do that in terms of positioning it on the print bed. We're going to design a simple object that we can print ourselves. We're going to talk about different print settings like the nozzle size and things like that. We can talk about infill, which is the inside of 3D print and how it fills the inner container of your model. We'll do lots of troubleshooting. We can talk about multi-part prints, things like joints. Like I have this little octopus here that was printed in one single piece. He's got these little joints here, just prints like that. So we can talk about how things like that work. We can talk about options for painting your 3D models. I have a couple options for that. We can go over making replacement parts for things. So like if you had something in your car or in your house that was like broken, how to like measure it to fit correctly, and you could like replace that part. And so yeah, I'm super excited to teach this class and to meet all of you and make some awesome 3D printed stuff.